The Doordash Red Card is a company-issued prepaid card that Dashers use for specific orders where payment is required at the store. It's not your personal money. Doordash loads the funds onto the card automatically. Here's how it works. When you're dashing, you may receive a red card or the app will clearly label it so you know in advance. These orders usually involve placing the order yourself, shopping for items, or paying at pickup, especially at restaurants or grocery stores. After accepting your order, you go to the store or restaurant, order or shop as instructed, then pay using the red card at checkout. You simply swipe or tap the card like a normal debit card. If the total is correct, the payment goes through instantly. Once paid, you deliver the order to the customer and complete it in the app as usual. Important to know, the red card only works for approved orders, can't be used anywhere else, and Doordash tracks every transaction. If the card ever declines, the app provides steps to fix it or contact support. In short, the red card lets you handle special orders smoothly without spending your own money. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.